Crypto market right now shows us a huge opportunity in front of us. If you look at this, you understand the fact that in few weeks we gained around $300 billion in the crypto market cap. And if you do understand that, now where is the money coming from? The stock market has been dropping while the crypto market is slowly trending higher. Yes, Bitcoin dominance is grinding up. That means altcoins are not popping through the roof right now. But with each micro consolidation and correction in the Bitcoin dominance, you're watching altcoins taking off. We are taking benefit of that. We are trying to find the opportunities at the right time and use them to gain profits. Now, you're looking at XRP, you're looking at XLM, you're looking at highly correlated assets. What do you see here? I think we are ready for the next move up. I think the market is showing us all the signals that we are preparing for something really good. Welcome to the Scientific Investor family, where the normal retail guys get to learn how to become the next top 10% of this world. Right now, crypto market is a huge opportunity zone. We are watching a lot of these coins starting to run up. We are watching a lot of them popping through sky. Now, you don't want to jump onto those which are popping through the sky. You want to trade which still has some momentum to the upside. You want to make sure you're not going to catch that top and end up there on wave 2. That's important. If you look at the market, there is a lot of opportunity right in front of us. We're going through a lot of different trades, spotting all of them. As soon as I enter, you guys get to know that. As soon as I close that, you guys get to know that. Make sure you use these opportunities in the market. It is going to lead you to an area where you don't miss this. Why is that important? You're watching this in front of us. Equity market is down. Crypto market is up. You're watching gold and crypto having higher correlation right now. You are literally watching the stock market dropping like crazy at a time when crypto market is slowly grinding back to the upside. That is absolutely important here. If you actually focus on this, you would agree on that point. There is a lot of money moving out of the real estate, of the equities, and that's going to come into crypto. Not all for sure. Maybe 10% of it. Remember, crypto market is now at $1.3 billion, which means if $10 trillion is slowly coming into the crypto market, you are going to watch parabolic rises in the crypto market. Remember, when you're looking at the crypto market, you'll have a lot of different opinions in the market, but make sure it kind of resembles at least in the recent past. We have done all this. When Bitcoin goes up, you will watch altcoins giving you a lot of opportunity. You don't want to miss through them. So what should you be looking at? If you actually understand this on a different node, you'll put the idea, okay, we are trending higher somewhat like this. We have a couple of trend lines like this. Fine. What does that mean? We're somewhat like here. We may do another burst and a correction before the next leg. Fine, but let's keep this steady. If that's true, from here, we may actually run up somewhat close to $39,000, $40,000. That is good. That means after this correction, you have another leg up. And if the divergence is coming in, okay, let's think about altcoins for a moment. That's where altcoins pop. Last time this happened, a lot of altcoins moved up. Say AGIX did like 13, 14x, Fitch went up 10x. There was a lot of movement happening. If you see that consolidation here, that means for a month or two, you will see a lot of altcoins bursting. And that is exactly what we are watching here. Some of them are already 3x, 5x, 10x inside this cycle. This cycle has not started way back in terms of the bullish ideas coming into the market. You're watching them showing all these signals. You need to be in the right assets for sure. You're watching this. This is XLM. It is highly correlated with XRP. And right now it shows you the fact that it is one trending higher. Two, it is showing you that it's just retesting this range. It's bouncing off. What does that mean? You're going to watch something big coming in there. Almost exactly same thing as what the XRP shows you right now. We are here, we are reversing. We want to see a breakout and the RSI entering back. And that kind of gives you a better idea that way we are headed. We want to see this enter back into this trend line for sure. That's the primary important step. But on a short-term note, you zoom in to see, okay, what are we really doing? Do we have some momentum? Are we dead? We see a lot of people talking about that in that sense. In the market, in the Twitter, you go around, you'll see that. But this range is something really important. That's the support zone. So you're watching the price breaking through that range, coming back to retest, and most likely you will actually see the price bursting to the upside. Now, yes, you have certain resistance to follow, but on a short-term basis, you can actually project this and say, okay, still, we can actually eye somewhat close to 0.7 range. That's going to be a decent target based on this recent move. Take that and say, okay, we are going to do that. Fine. That means this narrative is set and the market is about to digest that in and spit it to you in the market. The issue is, at that point, there will be still people believing it's going to go to a $200 this wave. I really don't think so. You will see $10, $15, $20, $25 possibility with a higher odds than the other stuff which a lot of people are talking about. But remember, we are here in the RSI. It is showing you it's reversing back up. And that means a lot in the market when we get this. That actually means a lot because that's a weekly chart. And now if you need more confirmation, you can actually go on to a monthly chart. And these monthly charts kind of give you a great idea that you are still above the moving average, 21-day moving average on a monthly. You broke above that, you came back, you retested that, and you're trying to bounce off. Put it on a line chart, it's much better to understand. It's easy this way. You broke above, you came back, you're bouncing off, which is a retest and bounce, which usually shows a macro signal that you're going back up. You broke higher like nuts last time. You came back down, retested it, and bounced off. Great. We're kind of following the history. We're kind of following everything we have seen in the past. But the issue is, how many of us really have the amount of patience it requires and discipline it needs to take profits at the top? Because to take profits at the top, you should be there in the bottom. So that you buy in there, you ride it till the top. To ride it to the top, you need a ton of patience. Now, understand this is a reality. That means money is going to come in. You just need a lot of patience and discipline. If you're in the right assets, then it's about discipline. Fiat system is just collapsing in front of us without any doubt. And we are watching that this is making a market, an entire market, which is so big, unsustainable. Maybe 50% of that is going to be wiped out. A lot of people would run off that and try to get into different assets. For sure, it can be gold, silver, a little bit of crypto. They will enter into service stocks and a lot of other possibilities to diversify and reduce the risk. That doesn't actually mean it won't come into crypto. We are watching that it does. Crypto market is going up. This is stock market which is going down. That clearly shows you which trend we are following right now. The market likes something, don't go against it. Don't go bet against it, because if the market says this is the direction, then you don't want to go against it. On a monthly, this is what Bitcoin chart shows you. This is something super important because this is exactly what we just talked about. For XRP, you break above the moving average, you retest that and you bounce off. Whereas the monthly, this is important, the monthly MACD now, it's in the positive zone. It's crossing to the upside. This is October, guys. We are going to get the next candle soon. This is the end of October. You're going to see the next month starting here soon. What does that mean? The momentum to the upside is going to increase. Next 2 months is going to be really, really interesting. Yes, you may get a week or 3-4 days of slowdown in Bitcoin, allowing the alts to pop through. For sure, you will actually see that. That is going to be a huge opportunity zone to watch out for. That's where these kind of things actually make a lot of sense. When I enter, when I exit, I give you guys that idea. We go through a lot of one-on-one sessions discussing about the portfolio. How much assets do you have? What's your risk tolerance? Are you really positioned well to take benefit of this run-up? Because if you have 10 assets and 7 of them are still trending lower, the ROI which you may expect is not going to be that good. If it's the opposite, wow, you're going to take a ton of profits from this market, from this run up. Not a lot of people are going to do that. We know that the market is running up. We know the pullbacks are really smaller this time around. That means a lot. Each time the price is dropping, there are enough buyers to drain that supply in the market. That's something really big to think about. Even after running an 80-100% move, the price is not dropping like 50%. It's dropping 5, 7, 8, 10%. By that time, it's going back up to create a new high. Now, yes, you as a trader, as soon as you get a divergence, you move out. But then you're observing the market. And as we observe the market, we're understanding there's a lot of buying power coming back into the market. Now, if you see a couple of wars which are happening right now, expanding, that means gold is going to go up like nuts. That means crypto, which is already trending up with gold, is also going to take off. That means you are going to see a lot of people moving out of stock market to crypto. We also do this in the crypto market, right? When you have 10 assets and they are not moving up and you see some of them bursting on the other side, you jump out of this and jump into that. The monkey jumping, that happens. Most of them lose money even after that for sure, but you get the point. From stock market, people are going to come into crypto. That is where you, me, and others who have positioned themselves well enough are going to take benefit of this run up. For some reason, when you look at this, the DAW right now is $33,000, close to that. Bitcoin is $34,000. You're watching how the market is moving from one industry to another industry or one asset class to another asset class. This is the wealth generation which we were talking about. Just the amount of money which is going to move out from one generation to another, that's like $70 trillion in this segment. If you watch the stock market, the real estate market, the debt market which is getting collapsed, which is being bombed, that may also push some liquidity into crypto. That means we're going to look at a $10, $20 trillion crypto market. Now that's market cap. That doesn't mean you need that amount of money to come into the crypto market. You may need $8 to $10 trillion to come in to reach a 20 trillion market cap. That's market cap. It's kind of, a little bit of vague and ambiguous thing, but you understand what's the reality. You don't need that amount of money to come in. If you are well prepared for this, if you are positioned enough for this, you are going to watch all this evolving in front of us. Now, all these calls which we are going through, there are hundreds of people taking benefits of that. They are understanding that, okay, he's taking one position, he's exiting that, it's been this duration and that profit looks decent for that duration with this amount of risk. I'm not taking a 10x, 20x, 50x leverage to get a 50 or 100 or 200% in ROI. We don't do that. That's too much of a risk. You want to balance your risk. The best risk-adjusted return, that's what you will get with the SI family. So if you're interested in that, this link can actually help you. Where we go through the one-on-one session, we gave you all these details. Every single day you get to see how the market is evolving. So guys, if you received value, please do smash that like button for me. I'll meet you guys on the next video. Bye for now.